I've become intrigued with these belt buckles, and I'm really curious as to how far I can expand on this simple idea. Common to all these buckles is the flat metal plate, the horizontal bar, and the post, which goes in the holes of the belt. What interests me is the design that goes on top. Once I start with the designs, I don't want to have to stop and make these parts. So first, I'll get these out of the road. And these are 16 gauge hot rolled steel. And I'll use the jigsaw and the guide that I've shown in other videos. And I'll cut these off for different sizes. For the horizontal bar, I'll use this bending tool for forming the U shape. Now this tool is getting a little sloppy, so when I make a new one, I'll do a video, because this is a very useful tool. Here I'm measuring for a narrow belt. As you can see, these are for a variety of belt widths. Now the posts are very simple. Cut to length, putting it in the hole I've drilled in this piece of steel, and hammering over. Notice that the buckle is curved on each end. This is 1/4 inch in from each side. If I was just doing 2 or 3 belt buckles, then I would use this combination square and scribe the line. Since I'm going to be making a lot of these, I want a little fixture which will make this easier. A piece of flat metal, and this is 3/8 inch square. And this is a 1/4 inch square. Tack welded this together. The rubberized mesh so that the fixture doesn't slide around on the welding table. Now I can slide the belt buckle blank in and scribe a line. Much more efficient than using the combination square on each one. Place the metal in the vise at the scribed line and fold over. The trick here is to get both sides even. As in any idea, there's room for improvement. So stay tuned.